Imagine a vegetable that has been a staple of Chinese cuisine for centuries, packed with essential nutrients and a unique, bold flavor. Chinese broccoli, also known as Gai Lan, offers more than just a delicious dish. It brings a wealth of health benefits and versatility that might just transform the way you eat. Chinese broccoli, also known as Gai Lan, is a leafy green vegetable native to the southern regions of China. It has been cultivated for centuries, with its origins tracing back to ancient agricultural practices that have shaped the cuisines of East Asia. While its precise historical timeline is hard to pinpoint, it is believed that Gai Lan has been part of Chinese cooking for more than 2 millennia, contributing significantly to the health and culinary traditions of the region. Its name, Gai Lan, directly reflects its geographic and cultural roots, as it translates to vegetable orchid, an ode to the beauty of its flowers. Chinese broccoli has since spread to other parts of the world, particularly Southeast Asia, and remains a staple in Chinese, Thai, and Vietnamese kitchens. The vegetable itself is distinct, with broad, flat leaves and thick, tender stems. It is often confused with broccoli due to its resemblance, but unlike traditional broccoli, Chinese broccoli has a more bitter, earthy flavor, with its stem being the main edible part. Its flavor profile makes it a versatile ingredient in various dishes, often included in stir-fries, soups, and salads. The leaves and stems can be eaten raw, though they are typically blanched, steamed, or stir-fried to soften their natural bitterness. Chinese broccoli pairs wonderfully with garlic, ginger, soy sauce, and other bold Asian spices. Its natural bitterness can be mellowed by these ingredients, creating a balance of flavors that enhances the overall dish. The health benefits of Chinese broccoli are numerous, contributing to its popularity beyond its culinary value. It is rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as being an excellent source of calcium, iron, and fiber. The vegetable is also packed with antioxidants, such as flavonoids and carotenoids, which help protect the body from free radical damage and support overall health. In Chinese medicine, Gai Lan is regarded as a cooling food, often consumed to help balance the body's internal heat and promote digestive health. Its high fiber content aids in digestion, while its anti-inflammatory properties help with conditions like arthritis and joint pain. It is also believed to have detoxifying effects, as it helps the liver in breaking down toxins and waste products. In the kitchen, Chinese broccoli is prized for its ability to adapt to various cooking methods. It thrives when incorporated into stir-fried dishes, where it is sautéed alongside other vegetables or meats, absorbing the savory flavors of sauces and seasonings. A classic dish in Chinese cuisine is stir-fried Gai Lan with garlic, where the vegetable is lightly cooked to preserve its vibrant green color and crisp texture, offering a delicious contrast to the richness of the garlic. Chinese broccoli is also featured in soups, where its stems add a pleasant crunch and its leaves wilt into a flavorful, tender texture. In some regions, it is pickled, preserving its unique taste and making it a popular side dish or snack. The versatility of Chinese broccoli extends to its use in various global cuisines, often tailored to suit the local palate while maintaining its essential characteristics. In Southeast Asian countries like Thailand, Gai Lan is commonly paired with stir-fried beef or chicken, enhancing the dish with its slightly bitter yet complementary flavor. In Vietnamese cuisine, it is often used in pho or mixed into fresh vegetable dishes, adding depth and texture. Its adaptability is one of the reasons why Chinese broccoli has earned its place on the menus of restaurants worldwide, where chefs experiment with innovative recipes while still honoring its traditional roots. Despite its long history and culinary significance, Chinese broccoli is still not as well known in Western markets as other vegetables like kale or spinach. However, its growing popularity in recent years, driven by the rise of global food trends and increased interest in Asian cuisine, has led to greater availability in international supermarkets and farmers' markets. Its health benefits and unique flavor profile have made it a favorite among health-conscious individuals and home cooks looking to explore new vegetables. As global tastes continue to evolve, Chinese broccoli is set to carve out a larger niche for itself in both home kitchens and high-end restaurants around the world. From its rich historical roots in China to its growing presence on global menus, Chinese broccoli is more than just a vegetable, it's a powerhouse of flavor and nutrition. Whether you're stir-frying, steaming, or adding it to soups, this ancient green has something to offer everyone, proving that sometimes the simplest foods pack the biggest punch.